What's up, y'all? I'm Aviana Zurin, and welcome to the Exuma Bahamas series. This series consists of 700 miles of adventure from Miami, Florida, all the way to the Exuma Bahamas. Warning, there is a spoiler alert. If you missed episode 1, you may want to click on the link right above right now. And if you watched episode 1, here's a quick recap of what happened.
In today's episode, we are traveling 161 miles all the way from Miami, Florida to Chub Cay, Bahamas. That sounds like a blast, right? Well, there's just some little minor catches. We are getting there by way of SeaDoos. Yep, I said it, personal watercrafts, also known as jet skis. Okay, let's just start from the beginning. Our original plan was to take 5 SeaDoos and a 26-foot chase boat, which included 9 people and a bunch of staff, for an amazing 700-mile adventure in the Exuma Bahamas. Let's just say that didn't go as planned. Actually, a lot of stuff didn't go as planned. And just to give you a little example, we lost our chase boat to a reckless driver just as it arrived in Florida, and without a chase boat, we didn't have enough space for passengers. We had to downsize all our stuff that we were supposed to bring to basically only bring necessities. And to top it off, the first fuel stop we were supposed to get fuel at ran out of fuel. No gas?
Now that you're up to date, let's bring you to day 2, episode 2, where we're traveling 47 miles from Chub Cay, Bahamas to Nassau, Bahamas. After taking that long beating from the day before, we sure could use a shorter distance ride with no mishaps. So come on and ride away with me while I show you how to get from Chub Cay to Nassau and where to dock your watercraft while you enjoy the beautiful island of Nassau. Alright, who's ready to head to Nassau now? Are you ready?
Yes.
She's lying to you guys. Alright, so we jumped to the next day because we were super exhausted from yesterday. We had to get a villa here in Chub Cay and also get a marina slip. Now, that's about $250 for one whole slip, and the villa is a 2-bedroom for about $850 or 800 something. I don't know, I'll have to get back to that. But oh my gosh, we took such a beating yesterday. 161 miles. 12 to 13 hours, my butt was on that ski. And it was not smooth 161. This was rough 161 with a passenger on the back and a fully loaded ski. But luckily we were able to catch them right before they were leaving the marina and refuel our skis. And now we're here about to leave this lovely villa and head to Nassau. Are you excited, Natalie?
So excited. Can't wait.
She's like, anybody want to buy a ski or
Skis
feel free to come fly down here and get a once in a lifetime opportunity to ride our SeaDoos back from the Exumas and do the reverse trip while we fly back to Miami and meet y'all there.
I don't know whose idea this was, but when he had plenty of pretty water, we could have stayed there for 10 days.
Oh, we've got 8 more days of this, guys. And where else
At this point, it's a challenge we are not giving up on.
And then one of the other guys came back and was like, oh my gosh, I went to go check on the skis and they're still there. I'm telling you, these guys are taking a beating out here, and I warned them. I would even give them the opportunities to back out when we were at Bimini and before then, but we just kept on pushing. But I believe we've got some beautiful horizons and beautiful days and less stressful days coming soon, especially today, starting today, especially with Alexis. Alexis, it's her first time ever being out of the country, ever doing anything like this. And I'm glad she's doing it. And I told her, like I've always said, if it was easy, then everybody would do it. And also, if it's easy, then what makes it worth doing? All right, gotta go. Bye. ready to go to Nassau. 44 miles, and let's hope it is good weather. I don't want to hold your hand. You what? Good weather. I'm putting it out there in the universe that today is gonna be a good ride. All right, y'all coming right away with me. Woohoo! Gotta get my fitness drink in, and I'm ready for this ride. And look, I don't have a passenger today, so let's see what kind of funny business we can get into. The legs are out, the arms are out. She's ready to get tan.
Go ahead, Donovan.
Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that water right there. He's like, hey!
It makes a big difference.
You're doing good?
Yeah.
Yeah. To my other passenger, right here. The FishPro is one of the most stable skis out there. And look how much crap we have back here. All right, let's go. That's Nassau, New Providence, Nassau. Ooh. And you know, my passenger's got a good break.
That's
He's
right.
refreshed now. This one over here. He's ready for some Atlantis. Let's see. And some fish fry. Atlantis and fish fry. You ready? Let's go. Atlantis in the distance. Or is that Atlantis? No, that's Atlantis. Which one's Atlantis? Oh, sorry. Wrong place. That's Atlantis. Look, it's Atlantis right there. And we can go under it. We're gonna go under it later, under the bridge. It's pretty cool. Hello. Nassau right now, and I get a popular question. When I go to these type of resorts or destinations, where do I dock my SeaDoo? Well, this is one of my recommendations of where I feel like your PWC will be safe, at Bayshore Marina. I believe that this is the only marina that has a floating dock in this area. And when I say floating dock, I mean the dock will rise up and down with the water levels and not bang up on your PWC or your boat. So come, let me show you around over here. It's also within this channel right here, and it's protected. So there's not a lot of like swells or anything, or like just rough waters that will come through here. That's an island right there. And if you look over here, right over there, that's Atlantis, okay? And you could see it from your PWC, or if you brought a boat. So let me go ahead and have Tonito put up the drone, okay? As you can see from the aerial view, there's a lot of dock slips, and it's in a great location. So let me go over this docking area real quick with y'all. It's not even just floating docks that they have regular docks, floating docks, and they have dry docking. So they can even pull your PWC out or your boat out and store it on land. That's a fee that, again, they can go over that with you. I don't know the fees exactly on that. I'm gonna put their contact information with their website down below in the video description. But hopefully, you know, if you hit up Mr. Smith and tell him, you know, Avian sent you, maybe I can work a little bit of a discount for you guys.